Hi, I'm Al Janae from Great Western Brewing. I'm the Vice President of Operations here in Saskatoon. When it came to pick and placing and the experience I had with Delkor, they were first in mind. The machines are great quality, great linear motion. They perform very well in our operations here in the plant.
My name is Brian Ellard. I am the packaging manager here at Great Western Brewing. I work with the Delkor machinery on a day-to-day basis in the packaging area. The thing I like the most about the Delkor machine is how easy it is to change over from different pack sizes. The machine runs above expectations and our efficiencies are better than they ever have before.